नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी श्री वंजारी आर्य श्री भवानी विद्यालय स्कूल आटपाडी. आज आपण प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ थ्री पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल हा गुणधर्म बघणार आहोत. आता ही प्रॉपर्टी काय थिअरम आहे? द रेशो ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट्स मेड ऑन अ ट्रान्सव्हर्सल बाय थ्री पॅरलल लाईन्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशो ऑफ corresponding intercepts made on any other transversals by the same parallel line. आता इथं आपण याचं तीन आपल्याला पॅरलल लाईन्स ह्या इथं आपण ड्रॉ केलेले आहेत. सो लाईन L, लाईन M and line N are three parallel lines and T1 and T2 are their transversals. So what is given? Line L is parallel to line M is parallel to line N. These are three parallel lines and T1 is its first transversal and T2 is its second or other transversal. The first transversal T1 intersects three lines in point A, B, C, and other transversal T2 intersects these three parallel lines in points P, Q, R. So we have to prove. So we have to prove the intercepts due to transversal T1 are AB and BC. So we take the ratios of these intercepts, that means AB upon BC is equal to, now आता आपण दुसरे ट्रान्सव्हर्सलचा विचार करू. सेकंड ट्रान्सव्हर्सल T2. ड्यू टू धिस ट्रान्सव्हर्सल these three parallel lines are again divided into three parts and two intercepts are there, that means PQ and QR. Now we take the ratio of PQ and QR, so PQ upon QR. We have to prove that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. To prove this, some construction is to be needed. Construction, we draw the segment PC is drawn and this segment PC intersects the line M in point D. So segment PC is drawn which intersect line M at point D. Now proof of this theorem, if we take first triangle, this is triangle ACP. In triangle ACP, this BD is parallel to AP. So BD is parallel to AP. So this line BD is parallel to third side, that means AP. So BD is parallel to AP. So we use basic proportionality theorem, that means BPT. According to BPT, we get this ratio AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. This is equation 1, and reason for that is BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. Now we take another triangle, that means triangle PCR. In triangle PCR, this segment, that means segment in triangle PCR, DQ is parallel to CR. So DQ is parallel to CR. Now we use another again BPT, that means basic proportionality theorem. We get PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. This is equation 2. We use BPT, basic proportionality theorem. From first and second, if we see two equations, then AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC, and PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. So PD upon DC and PD upon DC, both ratios are equal. Here is also PD upon DC, here is also PD upon DC. So from first and second, we get AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR from first and second. If first equation is equal to second, second is equal to third, then first. So by the property of transitivity, we get AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. So from this we write it as AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR, and this is our proof. Okay, thank you. Now we see example which is based on this property. So we see the examples in problem set. Example number 5. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side PQ is parallel to side DC. This is example number 5 in problem set. AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14, then find BQ. So we write the values. AP is 15, PD is 12, QC is 14. We have to calculate BQ. Let BQ be X. So let BQ be X. Now in trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. So these three parallel lines are there: AB, PQ and QC. Two transversals are there: AD is first transversal, BC is second transversal. So we use property of three parallel lines and their transversal so first ratio is AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. So AP, what is AP? AP is 15 upon 12 is equal to X upon 40. By taking cross multiplication we get 12 into X is equal to 15 into 40. So X is equal to 15 into 40 divided by 12. 12 and 15 are in the table of 3. That means 3 as to 4 is 12 and 3 as to 15. 3 is to 15 is 3 is to 5 is 15. Okay. Now 14 and 4, by taking simplest ratio we get 2 and here we get 7. Now X is equal to 7 into 5 is 35 divided by 2, and half of 35 is 17 decimal point 5. So X is equal to 17 decimal point 5 minute. So our BQ, therefore BQ is equal to 17.5 minutes. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण या प्रॉपर्टीचा प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स या प्रॉपर्टीचा या उदाहरणामध्ये वापर करून उदाहरणे सोडवलेली आहेत. अशीच अजूनही काही उदाहरणे आहेत, ती उदाहरणे आपण घरी सोडवावीत, प्रयत्न करावा. काही अडचण आल्यास ती आपण पुन्हा पाहू. धन्यवाद.